Hey, if you're watching this video, then you want to know all about the Recovery Loan Scheme application deadline. That's really important to know, right? Because this is a scheme that is there to help entrepreneurs, business owners, coaches and consultants, people of all ages under these difficult circumstances. Now, these are to replace the bounce back loans and the CBILS loans. Firstly, those finished March 31st, 2021. Depending on when you're watching this, right? So they finish March 31st, 2021. And this recovery loan scheme is the replacement for that. Now, the recovery loan scheme, that launches on April the 6th, 2021. And it goes all the way through until December the 31st, 2021, giving you a ton of time to get it. Now, I've made an article all about the ins and outs of the recovery loan scheme. Should you get one? Are you eligible to get one? If you've got a bounce back loan, can you get one? All of this stuff's really important to know, and in the description of this video is a link to a YouTube video that you can watch all the ins and outs on that. Not only that, if you prefer to read, I've got a blog post on it which goes even more detailed on exactly how you can find out more about the recovery loan scheme. So click in the description and find those out. Now, the deadlines on this, I also think, will be extended. So the bounce back loans initially had a short period of time. I can't even remember how long it was. It was 3 or 6 months, something like that, right? And they kept getting extended. It got extended multiple times. And I believe that the recovery loan scheme will get extended past 31st of December 2021. Unless everything is totally back to normal and all businesses are absolutely thriving at that time. I do think that they will extend it. Now, the recovery loan scheme as well, just a quick bit of detail on it. It's not quite as good as the bounce back loan scheme, but it's still very good and you should look at it for your business. Now, bounce back loans, they had a low interest rate of 2.5%. They were fully backed by the government, which was incredible as well. That was a real winner, right? And so the recovery loan scheme isn't quite as good as that. Bounce back loans were 100% guaranteed by the government. These are 80%, which means that lenders will be a little stricter. So you need to start getting things organized now. You might need to get your accounts in, all the paperwork on time. You might need to do a few different things to make sure that your business is all organized and ready to get one of these loans, right? Now, I'm going to make tons of content on the recovery loan scheme. Every week, I'm going to launch new content, and I've got loads of content on marketing. So while you're here, make sure, if you haven't done already, smash that subscribe button. It will turn blue, and hit that bell notification. That will let you know when I make more videos, and you really don't want to miss out on those. They're really going to be a game changer for your business. But let me know, what do you think about the recovery loan scheme? What do you think about it? Have you struggled to get one? Have you had hesitations on whether you're thinking about getting one or not? Tell me in the comments. I want to know more about you guys. Tell me all about your business. And if you've got a question about the recovery loan scheme, ask it. I'll make you a video back. That's my way of serving and giving back to you guys and making sure that we all get through these difficult times together. Now, saying that, loans are great, but you need to really get good at marketing. And I've developed a methodology. It's called the Business Accelerator Methodology. That will help you get and keep customers. And I've written a book. Around here, you'll see a picture of the book, and you can click in the description to grab your free copy. So do that down there. Now, what the Business Accelerator does is it teaches you how to get and keep customers. And my new book, Expert Mastery, lays out my 17 years experience in business on how you can get and keep customers using the internet. Whatever type of business you're in, now is the time to get good at internet marketing. So grab a free copy of that book. You do have to pay for the shipping. I'm paying for the book. That's fair, right? Can't say fairer than that. We're splitting the cost equal. So do that. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye for now.